Exercise 3.5, the first sum, the 12th subdivision, which is factorize x cube minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. You have to factorize using synthetic division, right? This is a 5-mark question. It is similar to example 3.17 and the same exercise like a 1, right? The first subdivision and the first sum. So these are the things that we have already done. Okay, you can also refer these. So let's get started with this. So let us assume that the given equation is p of x. So இப்போ என்ன value of x போட்டால் நம்மளுக்கு 0 வரும்னு பார்க்கணும். This equation should become 0. As always, trial and error method, let's start with 1. So you get 1 minus 5 minus 2 plus 24. Obviously this is not looking like 0 at all, right? உங்களுக்கு 0 வரவே வராது because you have a big term called 24 here. Even if you put p of minus 1, what happens? You get minus 1 the whole cube. Whenever you're substituting for minus 1, a number with a negative sign, right? Do carefully because you could mess up with signs and the whole sum will become wrong. So ஒரு extra step இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்லை. So you get minus 1. Minus 5 into plus 1 is minus 5. You get plus 2 plus 24. Right? This is also not going to be equal to 0. Right? This is 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 minus 6 is again 20. So it's not 0. Next, p of 2 போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். Right? என்ன வருதுன்னு. This equation substitute x க்கு பதிலா 2. So 2 cube is 8. 2 squared is 4. Minus 5 into 4 is 20. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 plus 24. So inga minus 24 plus 24 cancel agum, but we also have a 8 here. So it is not equal to 0. Now p of minus 2 போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். So as I said, minus sign வரும்போது careful, do the substitution very carefully. So it is minus 2 the whole squared, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 24. So it is minus 8. Minus 5 into plus 4 is minus 20. Again plus 4 plus 24. Good. It looks like it will get cancelled. Minus 8 minus 20 is minus 28. Plus 4 plus 24 is plus 28. Good. Got cancelled. Right? It's equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2 is a factor. Right? Or another way I can write it is x plus 2 is a factor. Good. You got one factor. What are the others? அதுக்கு தான் we are going to use synthetic division. To do synthetic division, right? Let's write the coefficients of the given equation. 1 minus 5 minus 2 and 24. 1 minus 5 minus 2 and 24. We wrote the coefficients of x cube, x squared, x and the constant. இப்போ எதால divide பண்ணலாம் இதை? We got one factor, minus 2, இல்லையா? So let's divide by minus 2. So minus 2 போட்டுட்டு you add this. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now multiply, you get minus 2. Add again, you get minus 7. Multiply this, you get plus 14. So it is plus 12. Right? When you add minus 2 and plus 14, again multiply with this, you get minus 24. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. So இது cancel ஆடும். So 0 is your remainder. Good. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? You can say that your p of x is x plus 2 into x squared minus 7x plus 12. இந்த x squared minus 7x plus 12 ஓட factors கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? That is easy. That you can do it using the sum and product method. இதில் sum என்னவா இருக்கும்? minus 7 and product is 12. Right? 12 வந்து, so if I multiply two numbers, I must get the product as 12 and sum as 7. 12 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 12 into 1 எழுதலாம், 6 into 2 எழுதலாம், 4 into 3 எழுதலாம். but எனக்கு இது ரெண்டும் வேண்டாம். ஏன்னா if I add these two I will never get minus 7. So I'm going to use 4 into 3, right? So 4 into 3 is 12, but I want to get a minus 7 here when I add these two. So I'm going to put a minus sign on both sides. So in the x squared minus 7x plus 12 எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா x squared minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 ன்னு எழுதலாம். So you take x out common, it becomes x minus 4 minus 3 into x minus 4. So you get p of x is equal to x plus 2, the factor that we already found out, and the two other factors which we found using synthetic division. Right? This is the final answer for this sum. So the three factors is x plus 2, x minus 3 and x minus 4 are the factors of the given equation. Right? Avladhaan, 5 marks is all yours. Very easy sum. Why this sum is slightly different, not difficult, slightly different is because usually நீங்கள் 1 minus 1 போட்டாலே உங்களுக்கு அது factor இங்கே 0 ஆயிடும் equation. But in this case you had to go until minus 2 to know that this equation becomes 0. So that's why we call it trial and error method, right? So கொஞ்சம் patience வேணும், பொறுமை வேணும், and it's very easy for 5 marks, right? Good.